Money Strategies, a step-by-step guide. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." Planning is the key. Know how to achieve your saving goals through strategic planning. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Setting your North Star goal. The North Star goal is like having a big shiny target of your savings. It's not just any target, it's the ultimate one, the big dream. Imagine it as the boss of all your saving goals, whether it's saving up to $10,000 or maybe even more. Having the super clear target is like having a superhero guiding your money decisions. Now, think of it this way. You wouldn't start a road trip without knowing your destination, right? The North Star goal is like a destination for your savings journey. It gives you a direction, a purpose for every penny you save. It's not just about saving randomly, it's about saving with a mission. So, whether you're dreaming of a new gadget, a dream vacation, or maybe something even bigger like buying a house, your North Star goal is that big, beautiful dream. It's the quote-unquote, "I can't wait for the day I achieve this" goal. And having that goal, it makes saving less about the numbers and more about making your dreams come true, $1 at a time. Importance of planning. Well, my friend, it all starts with a good plan. Taking a day or two each month to dive into your spending habits is like putting on your financial detective hat. You want to know where your money is hanging out, right? This detective work involves looking at your expenses, figuring out what's essential, and pinpointing where those dollars might be slipping away unnoticed. Now, let's talk about setting spending limits. Picture it as creating a fortress around your money. You don't want it wandering off aimlessly into the world of impulse purchases. By establishing clear limits for each spending category, you're putting up some guardrails. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about being intentional. Think of it like giving your money a roadmap. It knows where it can go and where it shouldn't. But that's not all. We've got to discuss the meal planning strategy. Your wallet can feel the impact of those spontaneous lunches and dinners. Meal planning is like having a secret weapon in your savings arsenal. It not only prevents you from spending extra on takeout, but also ensures you're making healthier choices. It's a double win for your wallet and your well-being. In the grand scheme of things, this monthly routine becomes your financial captain, steering your ship towards saving success. It's not about being a strict budget enforcer. It's about having a financial strategy that empowers you to make intentional decisions about your money. So, embrace the planning, set those spending limits, and let your savings journey set sail. Reverse budgeting. The first step is all about crafting a solid plan. Allocate a day or two each month to do your financial detective hat. Just like a detective unravels a mystery, delve into your spending habits to understand where your money is hanging out. This investigative process involves scrutinizing your expenses, identifying the essentials, and pinpointing those sneaky dollars slipping away unnoticed. Now, let's delve into the concept of setting spending limits. Visualize it as constructing a fortress around your hard-earned money. You don't want it meandering aimlessly into the realm of impulsive purchases. Establishing clear limits for each spending category is akin to erecting guardrails. It's not about placing restrictions, it's about being purposeful. Envision it as giving your money a roadmap, guiding it to where it should go and deterring it from unintended detours. Track your spending. To effectively manage your money, track every dollar. Identify areas where you can cut back, like recurring subscriptions. The average person spends $219 per month on subscriptions. So, eliminating even a couple can boost your savings. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Meal prepping and shrinkflation. Consider meal prepping at home to save money. Eating out, even at fast food places, has become more expensive due to the concept of shrinkflation. Cut down unnecessary expenses to accelerate your savings. Investing for faster savings. Explore investment options wisely. Index funds like Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF VO offer a diversified portfolio and historically average of an 8% return. Investing can boost your savings, especially if you're comfortable with a level of risk. Practical tips and examples. Break down the daily savings goal of $27.30 into manageable steps. From meal prepping and canceling subscriptions to earning extra through side hustles, these small changes can accumulate into substantial savings. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to achieve your savings goals. Remember, small changes in your lifestyle can lead to big savings. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.